Good evening everyone. Along with the discussion we are going in the regular classes, and this may helpful to discuss effective capacity between points A and B. This is one of the important model, but we feel this is a difficulty, but it is very easy. Just I will give the one trick, and from that trick you can solve these type of the problems. Here 4 plates they have given. This is the first plate, this is the second plate, this is the third plate, and this is the fourth plate. Let us give the number first plate, and this is the second plate they have given, and this is the third plate, and this is the fourth plate. Okay, total number of the plates is equal to 4. First of all, what is that? Here find effective capacity between A and B in the following. Each plate area means what? It is area A, it is a plate area A, the third plate area is A, and fourth plate area is also A only. And each plate separation means what? From first to second this distance is D, and second to third this distance is D, and third to fourth distance is D. A area of each plate given, and the plate separation between two plates also they have given small d. So what is that then? Before going to that, so each capacity how much? Each capacity you write each capacitor, okay na, each capacitor's capacitance or capacity. What is that? Each capacitor's capacitance, you can know that C is equal to what? Epsilon naught A by D. This is the first point you have to write. Okay na? This is the first point you have to write. Each capacity, because how many number of capacitor forming? Let us discuss some. After completing of this, just let us take what here. I am writing that each plate capacitance C is equal to, here I will write epsilon naught A by D. So now what is that? In the diagram, just you represent 2 points. What is that? This is the first point that they have given A, and this is the second point now they have given, that is for example I am taking this second point is B. Not necessary to worry anything. How many points are there? A and B. Just you represent on your practice paper, right? Now you see, if this is connecting to what? Yes, you see, sir, this is connecting to this plate and this plate. Therefore now here you put, this is what? Here I will put. Here let us discuss what? This plate is also A, and here what is that? This plate, and this point is connected to what? Here. Therefore now it is also, I am taking that A only. Next, what is this? Sir, B is connected to second plate and fourth plate. Therefore now here I am representing what? B. And what is that? Here also this is also indicate what better? That is also I am taking that B. Now you see what is there? First of all, you come from the first plate to second plate. Now sir, from first plate to second plate, what is there? A and B. Between A and B some gap is there. No, this gap is forming one capacitor. Therefore now between what I am taking that? Between A and B I am taking that one capacitor, and let us put that is I am taking the C. Next, what is that? So now 1 to 2 over. Next, 2 to 3 means what? 2 to 3, what is there? Same. B to A, one capacitor is there. So I am taking one point like this. One B to A, I am taking that. Yes, B to A connection is over. Next, what is that? Once again, 1 to 2 over, 2 to 3 over, and what is that? A to B we have to go. Once again, what sir? A to B also some gap is there. Every gap between two plates forming one capacitor. That's why between A and B also one gap is there. Therefore in that gap we are getting one more capacitor. Katam, problem solved. Therefore now what is that? Here you can take this point is the B, and here you can take this point is the A. Katam. Therefore now all are in the parallel or not? Yes, all are in the parallel. Therefore the effective capacitance what beta? Effective capacitance CP is equal to what? C1 plus C2 plus C3. From this formula, so you can get what is that? C1 plus C2 all are the identical. Therefore C plus C that is equal to 3 into C, and that is equal to 3C means what? 3 into epsilon naught A by D. Therefore out of the 4 options you have to trick this answer. Okay, so once again I will say clearly, whenever they have given number of plates is equal to n minus 1 number of the capacitor. See how many plates they have given? First plate, second plate, third plate, fourth plate. Total 4 plates they have given. So but the number of capacitors how many? The number of capacitors is 3 only. Therefore if n is the number of the plates, then n minus 1 is the number of capacitor. Means what? If they will give the 4 plates, 3 capacitor we can get. If they will give the 5 plates, 4 capacitor we will get. If they will give the 100 plates, then we can get 99 capacitor. Therefore you see how many? 1 2 3. How to find out? You see, sir, this 1 and 3 both are connecting to point terminal A. Therefore simply this you put name A and this you put also name B. Next for the B is connected to second terminal and B is also connected to fourth terminal. Now where is now what is that? A to B forming one capacitor. Okay, A to B is forming one capacitor. Next what is that? B to A, one more forming one more capacitor. Final what beta? Final once again A to B, one more capacitor. Okay, now its capacitance is C and its capacitance also C, its capacitance also C. Therefore now how many plates they have given? 1 2 3 4. But how many capacitors we got? 3. 1 2 3. Therefore number of plates is equal to 4, but number of capacitors are 3 only. Therefore now first of all you take the next step. What? So just you represent one point, that point is A. Next point what is that? B you represent. Therefore now between A and B, sir, between A and B one capacitor C is formed. Yes, I am representing this. Next what? B to A, you come from the B and you take one wire. Okay na? You connect one capacitor. Yes, connection over. Next what is that? So A to B once again, sir, A to B also one more capacitor. Now see this difficulty diagram, that difficulty diagram now becoming what? Very easy diagram. Therefore now what is that? The effective capacitor all are in parallel. Yes, now all are in parallel. All are in parallel. That's why now what is the formula for parallel capacitance? Cp is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. That is equal to what? So 3 into C. And sir, why are you taking always CC? Because all plates area same. It's a plate area A, it's a plate area A, it's plate area also A, it's plate 4 plates given. No, 4 plates area same and the distance between the each plate, the separation also same. That's why what we can say. So therefore Cp is equal to 3 epsilon naught A by D.